Hi, welcome to KSR Paradise. My next video will be touching on the KSR Padawan Flyover. The installation of the concrete slab cladding on the side of the road ramp near the flyover footing. This is the concrete slab cladding installed on top of each other, and you can see it's on both sides of the road ramp, quite close to the flyover footing. What you can see now is the digger hoisting the concrete slab and installing it to top of the concrete slab along the road ramp. And you can see also the aggregate that is compacted with a roller machine. They have done it with 3 feet thickness already, and yet a lot to go. So they have been doing it for the past 3 weeks. The roller machines has been compacting the aggregate, or rather the gravel stones, in the middle of the road ramps on towards the flyover footing. Hi, thanks for watching this video. I do hope that you subscribe for any future notification on new videos. And thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and goodbye for now.